Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Wanted to share with you guys a quick walk around video I made this afternoon. We finally got the trailer out of the garage, took it around on some of the surface streets around town today. It seemed to do okay. We have here our Darche panoramic 1600 tent from Overland Addict, mounted to the Compact Camping Concepts no weld rack system, who also supplied the 3,500 pound axle, running 35-inch BF Goodrich all-terrains on Rubicon wheels. There's my 2,500 pound stabilizer jacks on each corner there. In the rear, we're running LED lights all around. Also have rock lights installed under the belly of the trailer. Running rigid boxes from Home Depot that carries all of our entire kit. There's my ditch lights. We have those on all four corners of the rack. A battery box and electronics box up front. That'll have all my switches for rock lights, the ditch lights, etc. May eventually have a water tank mounted in that area underneath with a RV pump for our shower system. But this, like I said, just a quick walk around. I hope you guys will consider sharing the video, liking, and subscribing. Look forward to hearing your comments about the build.